Let's start and see how to hack a Wi-Fi. And I'm new here, so I'm noob. Actually, I'm noob. I don't know how to hack. I don't know anything about it. So, and I wanted to learn that how to hack. So today is day one, and now I'm trying hard to hack something, right? So as you know, so this is AI. Um, yeah. So let's start. Where is sudo apt install yarda sudo apt install then yd and this those things told me that how to doing things. Okay, and here we will see that couple of things, like, password type. So what's the structure here? Echo e, then create some password, echo e, and now create anything like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, could be Messi, could be I love Ronaldo, could be eFootball, could be an password, could be anything, and then I will say that passwords dot txt. Okay, wait. Password dot password dot txt. Let me learn, and then we can see that echo admin. Now we can see that echo admin user.txt, echo e space e, and then admit in root in user in test. So admin in root and test, and could be anything like, okay, just do this, and then user dot txt. Yeah, users should have to be users dot txt. So you can see that loop back, look up, and couple of things. So basically we can hack right now, but there is something they're showing us that these tech hiders link and how it's work, we can learn it from here. So today is, we can just see that today is day one, and I'm pretty much, I'm not comfortable here to using this terminal, but yeah, sooner or later I will master on it.